Types of matrices. Row matrix. A matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. It may consist any number of columns. Column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called a column matrix. Consider the matrix A of order 1 by 4. If we rearrange the elements in a column, we get a column matrix of order 4 by 1. Square matrix. A square matrix is a matrix with an equal number of rows and columns. Leading diagonal elements. In a square matrix, an element Aij to be a leading diagonal element if I equals to j. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix is called a diagonal matrix if all the elements except those in the leading diagonal are zeros. Consider the matrix A equals to 6 minus 9, 7, 5, 3, 1, 4, 8, 2 of order 3. Now, this matrix can be converted into a diagonal matrix of order 3 by changing the elements minus 9, 5, 7, 4, 1 and 8 to zeros. Hence, we get a 3 by 3 diagonal matrix. A equals to 6, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 2. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if all the leading diagonal elements are equal. Identity or unit matrix. A scalar matrix is said to be an identity matrix or unit matrix if all the leading diagonal elements are equal to 1. It is denoted by I. Zero matrix or null matrix. A matrix in which every element is zero is called a zero or null matrix. It is denoted by O. Note that null matrix need not be a square matrix. Now, let us learn about the transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix is got by interchanging the rows and columns and is denoted by A transpose. When we take transpose to matrix, rows become columns and vice versa. Also, the order will be reversed. A transpose, the whole transpose equals to A. Lower triangular matrix. In a square matrix, if all the elements above the leading diagonal elements are zero, then it is called a lower triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. If all the elements below the leading diagonal elements are zero, then it is called as an upper triangular matrix.